Hello everybody. So today we are going to be doing sublimation stickers. In other words, these stickers are waterproof. And I've seen a lot of people selling sublimation sticker paper for a more expensive price. So one person had it $20, well $30, and you only get 20 sheets of sticker paper. So I bought a whole pack of sticker paper for about $20. And let's see, it comes with, I don't know if it says it's on here, but this is the paper. Uh-oh. Make sure you like the video, comment the video. We want to get as many people on here as possible. But anyway, so they were selling 30 sheets or 20 sheets of sticker paper for $30. And as you see, I got this from Amazon. It's 100 sheets in a pack. And I probably paid about $20 for this. But make sure you screenshot it so that you can go and order you some. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. The sublimation paper that I'm using today is A-Sub. I always use A-Sub, okay? So we are going to go ahead and get started. Make sure you like the video, comment the video. Do me a favor and repeatedly tap that heart button. For these stickers that I did use my Cricut machine to cut it out. That's another class for another day. But I just want y'all to see that they are smudge proof. Good stuff. And you don't have to spend $20 for a pack of, $30 for a pack of 20. Anyways, let me know when y'all ready to get started. Once y'all start hitting the heart buttons, then I'll know it's time to go ahead and get this show on the road. So basically, I am going to start off by getting my sheet of sticker paper. Sorry, I know I was off frame. Let me make sure y'all can see everything. But while I'm doing this, y'all make sure y'all running up the likes, running up the hearts. It's free to show support. Do me a favor, if y'all are ready to get started, and go ahead and like the video. Alright, so these, you will have to cut these yourself, but my goal is just to show y'all that it can be done, and you don't have to go buy expensive paper to do it. So what I'm going to do is, and like I said, this can be done with your Cricut machine too. That's how I got the other ones cut out. But these stickers that we're going to print off today, if you choose to do it like I'm doing it from a regular system, then you're going to have to cut it out yourself. But make sure y'all are liking the video, commenting the video. Let me know if you're a crafter. Y'all already know when you're doing sublimation, you want to mirror the image, okay? Even with the stickers, you want to mirror the image. And then also you want to cut around the edges to make sure there's no ink smudge on them. Then you want to go ahead, and I need to get mine. You want to get you some regular copy paper to protect your base. Y'all don't stop hitting that heart button. Hit the heart button. Let's get some people on here. Hold on, y'all. I'm getting the copy paper out. I thought I had everything together, but I didn't. So you're going to need 2 sheets of copy paper, too, because you always want to protect your equipment. Hit that heart button. Let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner, or if you're both? Let me know in the comment section. So basically, you always want to protect your base. I'm going to put my sticker paper on top of that. I doubt that it will bleed through, but you just never know. To avoid ghosting, I like to get my heat-resistant tape. Be careful if you order this off of Amazon, because, yeah, sometimes it don't be a good tape, and it leaves like a yellow residue on there. So just be careful ordering the heat-resistant tape, because you don't want to get a bad batch. And I'm just going to take my image down. Make sure y'all like the video, comment the video. Let's get some people online that would like to learn this technique. So right now, like I said, I'm just getting my transfer tape. You don't even need this much. You just need enough to secure your image to the sticker paper. So now we are stuck with this. And so far we have our printer paper down, or you can use butcher paper. I have my sticker paper on top of that. I have my sublimation printouts face down on top of the sticker paper. And then I'm going to come through with another piece of regular copy paper. And then we're going to go ahead and you want your heat press set to 400 degrees. And you want to press this for 60 seconds, okay? So for those of you that are new, go ahead and screenshot it. That's the paper that I'm using. And this is the sublimation paper that I'm using, okay? So sticker paper, sublimation paper. And if you want to, you can also do this hack with Cricut. These are some die cut stickers that I cut with my Cricut machine. These you're going to have to cut yourself. So drop some drum rolls if y'all are ready for me to get started. Drop some drum rolls, please. Always, when you're using this press, you want to make sure you know where the image is. You don't want to be sublimating on something that's blank, okay? So drop some hearts. Let me know if y'all are ready. I'm going to put this down, set my timer for 60 seconds. If you're using a hand press, it's real easy to catch ghosting. So you want to be real careful to keep this steady. Really, I would suggest you use your big heat press when you're doing this type of project. And that way you don't have to worry about holding it steady because it's easy to start ghosting. But I need y'all to like the video, comment the video. Let me know, are you a crafter or a business owner? And let me know if y'all want to keep seeing tutorials. I don't want to get on y'all nerves, but while I'm crafting, like now that I'm in the mood, it's just like, you know, my brain just be going and thinking, and I'd be like, oh, okay, I can show them this, or let me learn this so I can teach my people. So let me know if y'all are actually interested in this stuff. So like I said, you want to hold it real still for 60 seconds. 7 more seconds, 5 more seconds, 4 more seconds. And then when you lift it, you want to pull it straight up. All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to check and make sure that we can see the image through the other side. Y'all see that? That's how you know if your image has transferred or not. And I need y'all to drop some hearts if y'all are ready for the final reveal. Drop some hearts, y'all. Drop some hearts, drop some hearts. Let's get some people on the live. I don't know what's going on with the algorithm today, but it's okay. The show must go on. All right, so this is the reveal. This is what you should be left with. And I have tested these out. I've ran them underwater. And so basically from here, you want to take some scissors. I would probably get some smaller scissors. Drop some hearts if y'all like it. Drop some sad faces if y'all don't. If y'all think this is a good idea for waterproof stickers, drop some hearts. But basically, I'm just going to go take it and I'm going to cut around her outline. The image is from Etsy, just for those of you that are wondering where I got her from. And like I said, you can do the same method with Cricut. But that's another class for another day. But I've been wondering how to do these waterproof stickers. And like I said, seeing everybody charge all that money for that sticker paper. And I don't know, I just got the idea in my head. I said, let me try this out. And decided to try it with regular glossy sticker paper, and it worked. Now, I do want to get some clear sticker paper and see if it'll still work the same on there. But for right now, I'm cool with these. And so, like I said, you just want to cut around the edges. If you're doing a big batch, go the Cricut route. Because y'all see how much time this is taking me. And there you go. And for those of you wondering if it's still sticky, it is still sticky. Like I said, I've already tested this out before I showed y'all. Let me try to get it off the bag. Hold on. After you cut it, sometimes hard to get it off. Okay, so look, it's still sticky. The heat didn't mess it up. My dirty little speaker. Just so y'all can see, smudge proof. But I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And this will be good, just so y'all know. This will be good for like those of you that do the party cups and stuff like that. Y'all can make stickers for the party cups and put them on there. Put those on Etsy. Those have been real popular, but people are complaining about the quality. So there y'all go. If y'all do treats. And once again, this is the paper that I used. Get your screenshots in. Came from Amazon. I spent like $20 for the pack. These are stickers that I made using Cricut. Cricut did cut them out for me. And I had to cut these twice because I didn't cut them deep enough for them to be separate. But look. But all right, I love y'all and I appreciate y'all, and I will see y'all soon. Peace out.